Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can tell if your Mac computer or your MacBook or the MacBook Air, MacBook Pro is running on an Intel chip base or an Apple chip base. So to do so, first on your Mac computer, so this is the MacBook Pro, and you want to click on the Apple icon at the top here. So click on that, and then you click on about this Mac. So click on that, and then down here in the description of your Mac you should see it say processor. This is 2.2 gigahertz quad core Intel Core i7. So you can see here it said the word Intel. So this gives you an indication that your processor is an Intel based processor, and that's how you can tell. And that's it. Otherwise you should see it will say other chips brands such as from Apple chips. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.